Andrew, this is good for Wakiso. Andrew Chigozie goes for that shot. Oh! Glorious, glorious, glorious! What a glorious goal from Andrew Chigozie! Well, the former Maroons player scores his fourth goal of the season. Real power on that ball there from Andrew Chigozie. That was something from nothing. Boy, he saw the goalkeeper move and struck that ball hard. Chigozie Andrew with a beautiful, glorious goal. Now the Jogos are in trouble. The interchange was beautiful. And again, Andrew Chigozie from this distance, power on that ball. Shariff Kimbowa, cross as well. In the box the goal. Hassan, can he finish? Oh! What a goal! Beauty at its best. Beauty at its best. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, you just love Wakiso Giants when they are roving. They actually play beauty football. Ho, ho, ho. Look at what it means to the boys from Wakiso. Kept on playing really well by Shariff Kimbowa. Shakes his marker off, looks up, but look at that tap. Look at that easy tap. And Hassan slides that ball into the back of the nets. Master, real master. Remember, the entire ball has to cross the line. And Shariff Kimbowa does really well. But look at the master Senyonjo goal. An easy finish. Brady Wokorach couldn't do anything. The entire defense was split aside. Look at that. Look at that for a master Senyonjo. Salute Hassan Senyonjo. Beautiful football. Glorious finish. Shariff Kimbowa did all the donkey work, and then Hassan Senyonjo did the sweetening.